My mom is visiting right now, and she loves herself a good cookie. So these chocolate chip cookies are an excellent cookie for us to make. The bonus is that they are egg-free and they are dairy-free, which makes them vegan or plant-based. My mom eats a plant-based diet, but if no one told you that these were vegan cookies, you would never know. And the fun thing is if you have an egg allergy or a dairy allergy, well, those aren't fun. At least you can enjoy these cookies. I also think they would do really well. You could swap the flour for a gluten-free 1-for-1, and then you'd end up with a gluten-free cookie as well. I found this recipe when I wanted to make cookies, but I didn't have any soft butter. So I looked up an olive oil cookie recipe, and what do you know? They are amazing. So we had to have a little detour to our afternoon in which someone stopped in because they saw our cow out in the neighbor's hayfield. But my mom finished, oh Ham, I don't need you bumping me, thank you, back up. So my mom took care of finishing the cookies and they look amazing.